Told me sweet lies and they make me feel like I could cry. You gave me sweet kisses and they caused my lips to be blistered, blistered. You left me here sitting. I know I am listening, listening to strange whispering. I never thought